Wow. Wow, this is fire. What's going on, everybody? If you tapped in this video, you clearly want to see how to make the best broccoli chicken Alfredo ever. So that's what we're gonna get into today. For this recipe, all you're gonna need is butter, Parmesan cheese of some sort. It could be Locatelli, it could be, you know, Romano, either or. Your choice of pasta. I'm just gonna go with bow ties tonight, but you could do whatever. A lot of people use fettuccine, which I kind of wish I had, but we're just gonna work with what we got. One of the main stars, broccoli, aka the best vegetable on the planet Earth. You're gonna need some sort of chicken. Now this has been marinating all day. I will show you the spices right now. Also gonna need some type of cream. I'm using half and half. And last but certainly not least, you need garlic. Yes, every vampire's weakness right here. Peeled garlic. Pot of water, place this right here, and we're gonna set this. I would normally just set it to high to cook it the quickest, but we're not really in a rush here because we gotta prepare a couple other things. So we're just gonna put it at 6 for now. See, all those spices on there, making it look all nice and flavorful. We got 3 pieces right here. I don't know if we're gonna need all this chicken for the recipe, but I figured might as well just cook it all. We're gonna cover this just so the chicken cooks all the way through and we don't get left with any raw chicken. Because who wants that? I don't. I personally don't want raw chicken. I like it when it's cooked. So we're gonna open up this broccoli. Got it from a local market today. Shout out all the grocery store workers. We had a bit of a snowstorm today. And of course they were still open. So shout out them. The realists, always being there when you need them most. So now that the broccoli is dried up a bit, we're gonna cut this bottom off. Put that to the side. Now, I've never actually cut broccoli. I'm just gonna speed this up and we're just gonna go like one by one here. Because I really don't know how you professionally cut broccoli, but this works. So let's see. So for the broccoli, you can cook it however you please. You can grill it, roast it. I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for the sake of how easy it is, but we are gonna season it a little bit before we throw it into the microwave. So all I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of black pepper in here and a little sea salt. All right, this chicken looks about done. So we are going to take one of these out and see if this is ready to go. Oh, and it's done. Wow, it's actually beautiful. We're gonna need to shred all this chicken up. I'm gonna do a little time lapse and get back to you guys once I have all this chicken cut up. Don't come at me for my cutting skills, all right? We're working on it. It's a work in progress.
Yeah. Pull up in the demon, feel close to the guy. Rapping the gang, you know we the mind. Running this shit, you close to it.
We need to put this pasta in because this water is ready. It's ready to go. So I don't know if I want to do 2 boxes or 1. We're gonna see how much this comes out to. I think I should go 2. I feel like it's gonna be a lot of pasta though, but let's just do it. There we go. The pasta is finally all done. It's cooked perfectly. Wow, would you look at all that? That steam is something else. We're gonna let this sit here for a little bit because we are going to be making the sauce in the same pot so we can just combine everything together. It says 3 tablespoons, but I know this is a way bigger dish. So we are gonna go with about 6 tablespoons of butter. See how that goes. I'm sure it'll be fine. So just put that butter in there and we're gonna let that melt down. I'm just gonna really lower this heat because I don't want this sauce to burn. This is actually my first time making Alfredo sauce. Fun fact. Okay, so now we are gonna cut up, it calls for 3 cloves of garlic, but we are just gonna go straight in with about 6. So
I'm sure it'll be fine. Garlic's really good for you, so this is gonna be delicious.
all right, so let's just add that. Be cool if it all just came off, but you know, whatever. Now we got the garlic in there, as you guys can see. I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit. So now we're gonna get our half and half. Feel free to use whipping cream. It would probably give a bit of a more of a creamier, heavier consistency, but we're gonna go with a full cup here. Like 3/4 of a cup. Yeah, fuck it, let's just do a little more. Some garlic, some more garlic. We're gonna actually put the heat up a little bit. So we got that garlic in there. Little black pepper. I'm gonna throw a little bit of sea salt in here. And we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit. Ooh, you see yourselves in the reflection? What's going on? Oh my God, we're stuck in the box. Anyways, the broccoli's already in here, like I put in before. So it's time to cook it. This, I think, will be, I'm just gonna go with 5 minutes to start. I assume it's gonna be like a little more than 5 minutes because there's a bit of broccoli in there. But we're gonna let that cook off. And yeah, let's get back to the sauce. In with some Parmesan here. You don't wanna rush a good sauce. Ratatouille told me that. We're gonna add our noodles back. Slowly but surely. A lot of pasta here. We're gonna go in with the broccoli. That broccoli that we had in the microwave. Look how beautiful that is. Add some color to the dish. We had to move pots, so let's add in the rest of the first mixture. Everything is combined. Wow, that was a process, guys. We had to move pots, you know. Hey, shit happens. You gotta make mistakes to learn. That's obviously what we did here today. Some fresh grated Romano. Literally grated it this morning. I just put it in that bag to make it look good, guys. Don't let that fool your eyes there. Folding all this pasta and chicken and broccoli together. I maybe could have used a little more broccoli, but honestly, it's fine. The moment you guys been waiting for. Let's try this out. Let's get a good thumbnail. All right, thumbnail ready. Let's get a bite of everything. Chicken, the broccoli. Whew, see that? Steam coming off. That was a big bite. Wow. Wow, this is fire. For my first time making this, I'm pretty happy with myself here. I don't want to give myself too high of a rating because then it's, you know, I mean, it's biased regardless. But I'm gonna go 8 out of 10. This is pretty solid. Honestly, don't really have many complaints. I mean, if it was made with heavy cream, probably a little more creamier and thicker, but I don't want to sit on the toilet for the next 3 hours, so I'm totally fine with just using half and half and having a little more. It's not even runny, really. It's just, I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. Hope you guys use this recipe. If you do, let me know. If you guys want to see more cooking videos, let me know in the comments. Anyways, it's been your boy. I'm about to go the rest of this shit up, so I'll catch you guys.
Believe in me, now you gotta believe and see, yeah. Lately I've been feeling like I ain't doing nothing.